Days like these make me wish I was in Portland, drinking a high life and taking Jello shots. Man, I wish I was in Portland, eating pizza by the water, trading in hangovers for panic attacks with my big brother. Man, I wish I was in Portland, eating tots with pop and watching movies in a living room theater. Man, I wish to God I was in Portland, getting ready to hit the road with a 6-pack of Bud and a pack of Camel Lights. Man, I wish I was in Portland, at Ron Tom's trading cigarettes to spoiled rich kids in exchange for their sob stories. Man, I wish I was in Portland, with the clean streets and the 7-Elevens that serve pizza all night long. Man, I wish I was in Portland, having morning coffee from cups that I drank from as a kid. Man, I wish I was in Portland, watching my closest, oldest friend pouring some more potato vodka. Man, I wish I was in Portland, playing jukebox tunes and defending Scarlett Johansson. Man, I wish I was in Portland, eating fried chicken and biscuits with gravy and bacon. Man, I wish I was in Portland, driving around town to find a place to buy a bottle. Man, I wish I was in Portland, ordering pizza pies and buying pre-made hoagies. Man, I wish I was in Portland, where a huge part of my heart lies.